Welcome to the basics of performing a transaction on the Payflex P Lite device. First, we need to start an order. To do that, let's log in with our 4-digit PIN and start an order at the bar. Here I'll tap on bar and click on my plus button on the bottom right. From here, I'm going to put in a tab name. We're going to call this tab name Dana. Now that I've put in that name, I'm going to go ahead and click done. Now with my menu screen, I can select an item that I want to add to the cart. Let's go ahead and add a burger. To do so, I'm going to tap on my category and then tap on the item I want to ring in. Now that I've tapped on the burger, you can see I'm introduced to my modifier screen. I'm going to stick to the fries, but my meat temp is going to be medium rare. Next, I'm going to swipe to the left to any additional modifiers and go to toppings. From the toppings menu, I can actually use these pre-post mods to add additional communication to the kitchen. For example, let's say I really like tomatoes, I can tap extra and then tap tomatoes. Or let's say I really don't like onions, I can tap remove and then tap onions. Lastly, I like mayo, but I'm worried they might put on too much. So I'm going to tap on the side and then come down here and add mayo. Now that I've done that, I'm going to tap the add button on the bottom right, and the item has now been added to the cart. Next, I need to send this to the kitchen. So let's go ahead and go to my cart screen. And from here, you can see I've got two options, send or pay. Well, it hasn't been sent to the kitchen yet, so let's go ahead and tap the send button. Now that I've sent it to the kitchen, it's sent me back out to my service area screen. Now that's a customizable configuration. It may be relevant to your place, but for here, it sent me out to my service area screen. Next, I'm going to go back to the bar to retrieve the order that I just sent to the kitchen. There you can see there's Dana. And now I need to pay for the transaction. To do so, tap the pay button on the bottom right. Now from here, I can pay with cash or card. Today I'm using my card. I'll tap card and insert my card. Now that I've inserted my card, I can print a receipt if I would like. I can either email it, text it, or print a customer or merchant copy, or both. In this example though, we'll hit no thanks. And that's taking an order with the
Payflex Lite device.